Hello and welcome to another Blitzit web training video. In this video, we're going to be looking at the packing tool. The packing tool is used for things like packing cheese. If a customer orders a wheel of cheese, but the wheel isn't it's not billed per wheel, it's billed per kilo. Well, then the packing tool is used for staff to define how many kilos were packed, so then that the cheese can be billed accordingly. So we're going to be using the training module to do this, but first of all, you need to go to the website, of course, at www.blitzitweb.com.au. And once you're there, you can go to the hub menu. Now I'm looking at this from the perspective of a tablet because that's probably the most popular device for this function. If we go to training from the hub menu and then proceed to packing, so basically we're packing cheese. We're located at the warehouse. And we can see that there is one consignment that needs packing. Now there are, I think, 6 or 7 other consignments in the data. There's fake data, but it knows that there's only one order that has the need to be packed. So this is Deep Creek Companies, and the consignment number is 455. So if we click that, it opens up the order. We can see the customer, the address, when it's supposed to arrive. And we can see the line item that needs packing. So there are 5 cheese wheels on order. If we push the little filter button here, it actually shows us the whole order. So there's the milk and the ice cream, and there are 2 cheese wheels. Now notice these 2 items are both fixed amounts. You always pay the same amount for each. But the cheese wheel, you actually pay per kilo. So it's a variable line item. So if we go back to we push filter, and we see that there's a place here for placeholder lines. Okay, so say if we've opened up the order, well, we're ready to start. We want to start packing it. Simply push the start packing button. You can see now it's filled out. It's expecting that you will be specifying how many kilos you've packed. You can also assign stock here. So you might be going into the cheese storage room and you see the wheels that are available, and you see that the milk and the ice cream has been assigned, the stock for those items, but the cheese. So if we look for stock that's available, filter it to just the cheese wheels, and we see that there are 2 different batches of wheels. We need 5 wheels, so we're going to grab 2 from this batch and 3 from this batch, and we're going to pick them all. So 3 and 3 have been picked, and 2, and we've got the double ticks meaning that they've been assigned and picked. So let's OK that. Now we can see the stock of those cheese wheels that we've picked, and then say you'll probably weigh them, and then here you can specify how much weight is to be charged to the customer. So let's say it was 8.65 kilos, and once that's been done, simply pack and save, and congratulations, you finished packing an order.